In this beautiful Mara ecosystem comes this beautiful cat going by the scientific name of Acinonyx tubatus. The cheetah is a large cat, predominantly native to Africa and central Iran. This black-spotted big cat is characterized by having a long light big body with long thin legs and a long tail, which forms its adaptive features, making it the fastest land animal. Believe it or not, the cheetah is the fastest, having running speeds ranging from 80 to 128 kilometers per hour. The cheetah mostly lives in 3 social groups, ranging from females and their cubs, solitary males, and male coalitions. Today our main focus is on these male coalition brothers famously known as Tatu Bora. There were initially 5 brothers, but 2 of them passed on, so right now we're left with a coalition of these 3 male cheetahs. In the wild, female cheetahs lead a nomadic life, searching for prey in large home ranges, while the males, like our Tatu Bora here, are more sedentary. Instead, they establish smaller territories in areas with plentiful prey and access to females. Why do the cheetahs form coalitions? This is to help them accomplish successful hunts and ensure their survival and have each other's back until the moment of death. Despite having speed to outrun their prey, the cheetahs have weak jaws, hence prefer hunting mid-sized ungulates, ranging from impalas, gazelles, and topis. Today our coalition brothers have successfully hunted a topi. Look at how they share and enjoy their prey. It's such a phenomenal scene, seeing how these tactical predators embrace the spirit of teamwork, which is vital in the jungle. Hope you guys enjoyed these beautiful cats just like the way I did. According to me, the cheetah is my #1 apex predator.